Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we had learned about culture and nationalism from history. Hope all of you understood well. Today, we will learn a new chapter from geography, public expenditure and public revenue. Have you heard about the term public revenue and public expenditure? Okay, the income of the government is called public revenue and the expenditure of the government is called public expenditure. Expenditure increases with an increase in the activities of the government. Observe the pictures. They are related to certain activities performed by the government. What are the activities performed by the government? Distribution of drinking water, distribution of welfare pension, protection of environment, public distribution system, etc. The government undertakes these activities were carried out for the welfare of the state. Money is required for those activities. Next, public expenditure. Public expenditure can be classified into developmental expenditure and non-developmental expenditure. What is developmental expenditure? The expenditure incurred by the government for constructing roads, bridges and harbours, starting up new enterprises, setting up educational institutions, etc. are considered as developmental expenditure. Expenditure incurred by way of war, interest, pension, etc. are considered as non-developmental expenditure. Observe the graph. Hope you have understood from the graph that there has been a steady and continuous increase in India's public expenditure. As population increases, facilities for education, health, shelter, etc. for more people have to be supplied. The government has to spend more money for the welfare of the people. They are increase in the defense expenditure, welfare activities, urbanization, etc. Next, public revenue. The government earns income primarily from two sources. They are tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Do you know what is tax revenue and non-tax revenue? The income from all sources of taxes constitutes tax revenue. The income from fees, grants, profit, etc. constitutes non-tax revenue. Have you heard about taxes? Yes, correct. Taxes are the main source of income for the government. The amount to be compulsorily paid by the public to the government for expenditure such as welfare activities, developmental activities, etc. incurred in public interest is called tax. Let's recall about today's topic. Expenditure of the government is called public expenditure and income of the government is called public revenue. And also, public expenditure can be classified into two: developmental expenditure and non-developmental expenditure. And public revenue can be classified into two: tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Hope all of you understood today's topic. Thank you.